How much does Notion cost? Well, let's take a look at the Notion pricing. I'm currently on the main Notion pricing page, as you can see right here. So first of all, I encourage you to click the link in the video description just below this video, get that free trial. You can have a free Notion account on me, check out what Notion is all about. And if you want a little bit more, you can stick around and actually go for one of these pricing plans, but you don't have to. You can stick with the free plan. So yeah, get that free trial, see if it's for you. So right here on the pricing plan, I just want to break down what's involved. Right here, I'm showing these prices right here in USD. You can check them out in GBP if you're in Britain, or in euros if you're in the European Union. So they basically break Notion down now into two different types. So there's a kind of vanilla original Notion that they call Essentials right here. And then they have this AI Workspace version right here, which costs a little bit more. So these prices are in yearly. You get 20% even if you pay per annum. If you want to go monthly and you don't want to be locked into paying all up front for the year-long plan, you can go with monthly. So yearly, you get this 20% off, and you can see right here, you've got free, absolutely free. You get a trial of Notion AI, you get your basic forms, basic sites, Notion Calendar, Notion Mail, which syncs with Gmail, and you also get databases, of course, for subtasks, dependencies, custom properties, and more. If you want to get that little bit more, you can pay $10 per month, as you can see right here. And you can see, I won't read everything, but you can check this out for yourself. You get some extras. Like with most of these kind of products, you can always pay a little bit more depending on what your business is and what you actually need from this software. So AI wise, they now have this business plan right here for $20 per month. And you can get everything in Plus, which is the $10 plan. And you also get a Notion agent, AI meeting notes, and you can hover over these, and this little helper gives you a little bit more information about what you can do. But this is their top plan right now. There's a lot involved in this. You can check out all of this here on the pricing page. So Enterprise, the custom pricing, you can contact sales, and you can get a little bit more if you want the more advanced features and customizations. So we scroll down here and we have the plans and features table right here. There's a side-by-side comparison of everything that is involved in the four plans: free, plus, business, and enterprise right here. And you can scroll down and check out all the many different features that Notion currently has. There's a frequently asked questions down here at the bottom if you want a little bit more information, but I encourage you to click that link, get the free trial on me, see if Notion is for you. If it is, you can stick around. If not, you don't have to pay anything. You can stick with that free plan, or cancel your account, whatever you prefer to do. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.